a popular freelancing platform where you can find various projects in fields such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. YouTube is a popular platform for creating and sharing videos, and it also provides opportunities to make money online. A freelance marketplace where you can offer services and skills starting at $5. You can provide services like writing, design, video editing, voiceovers, and more. Patreon is a membership platform that allows creators to earn recurring revenue from their fans and supporters. You can offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, and other perks in exchange for monthly support. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform where you can find and promote digital products and earn a commission on every sale you generate.